I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, lifestylers. Welcome to my channel. Guys, bear with me. This introduction, if you see me talking funny, remember I got my what do you call it, braces, and your girl is like we call it speech training all over again, like a little kid. Anyways, if it's your first time on my channel, thank you so much for passing by. If you're enjoying my content, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn your post notification on, so whenever time I drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. Also, give your girl a thumbs up and comment in the comment section. I like to interact with you guys in the comment section. Anyways, guys, I can't wait to get to this part. Wanna see how me I struggle for talk? Wanna see how me I struggle for talk? Guys, the braces, it's what day? I got them in on Wednesday and now it's Friday, so 2 days. And guys, pain, discomfort, trying to get my tongue in the right place. It's a task, guys. It's a task. Please, wanna not laugh after me. Wanna don't laugh after me. I'm not in so much like there's times when I'm in agony, to be honest, but I think the worst part is when I am trying to eat. That's when I'm having an issue. And you see, like talking now, I'm not used to talking with this in my mouth because the braces, until my teeth comes in a little, it'll get comfortable. But for now, maybe from now until June, this is how I will be talking, guys. This is how I'll be talking. And guys, your girl can barely chew. See, true. Help me, Lord. Guys, your girl can hardly chew. So I've been like porridge, sucking everything, sucking everything, guys. If I put banana in my mouth, I have to suck it and mash it out. Anything I put in my mouth, potato, I have to suck it. Salmon, guys, I've been having mashed salmon and mashed banana. Right now, my mom made me porridge, so I have my cornmeal porridge on the go with me. And I've been doing smoothies and juicing and stuff like that. Yes, guys, I'm gonna laugh. Cause guys, me laugh after my own self. Me laugh when me see my mouth. And guys, remember, me have thick lips already. Eh? Your girl have thick lips already. So you see me now with this thick lip here. And braces. Me I say the people them sometimes I work, me say I look for me and I laugh, guys, because I find myself funny. Like I make myself laugh. My household drama them take me for. Like Pierre laugh, everybody laugh after me. But yes, guys, so yeah, it's quite my braces 2 days in, lot of discomfort, lot of it. Honestly, it doesn't bother my sleeping. It doesn't. No, it doesn't keep me awake. No, it doesn't keep me awake. It's more of a pulling tight, sensitive, tender feeling. And the talking part, if I chat too much, it rub on my mouth, because my mouth, I get used to it. So not even two talk me want to talk. That for sure me love talk, guys, and not even talk. Not even two talk me want to talk, for telling you the truth. Oh God. So anyways, guys, me and hubby is going on a little weekend getaway. Every so often we do this, every so often we just take a break, you know, get a little time for, you know, yeah, because, you know, we're two hardworking people who, you know, we're busy, 3 kids, you know, busy, always on the go, schedule not add up. So, you know, sometimes I feel like, you know, every relationship need this time where, you know, take yourself from your kids and everything and just go have a little, you know, time with your person, you know. If you can't afford to go on vacation or take a plane like myself here, you know, we just do a little staycation and, you know, spend some quality time with each other. And that's what we're doing. I'm going on a little staycation, me and Obi, you know, just for 2 days, yeah, unwind, you know, just, yeah, open a one another face, yeah. Oh God. So, and I'm taking you guys with me. Obi's at the barber shop, so actually at the hairdresser, he's getting his hair locked. So I'm gonna grab him and then, you know, we head on our way, and I'm taking you guys with me. Oh me I do, guys. I think hey, I think talking to you guys, I'm getting like find myself, I think me I get more comfortable. Yeah. So guys, come along. Gonna go hang out with me for the 2 days. I don't know what we'll be doing, but yeah. Obviously he wants to go to the casino, so yeah. Normally when I go there, guys, me eat. I can't eat a potato and salmon. Potato and salmon, that is it. Yeah. Anyways, guys, come along. I eat cornmeal porridge. Never remember for showing you this. Hey. This is the only thing we can eat. Very comfortable. Without agony. Porridge soup. Anything soft for me just slide down. Guys, them something here. And the porridge nice. Nice. And another thing, guys, let me say another thing. The brushing my teeth. The brush my teeth often, very often. Can't even pronounce it. Often. See? I don't know what to do with my tongue, guys. I don't know what to do with my tongue. But I think I joke, but I don't know what to do with my dog. Guys, I don't know what to do with my tongue. Oh boy. So let me take up on myself. Yep. But after a while, guys, the beginning of the braces journey for me is gonna be the hardest. As the last time we came with the kids, that's where we stayed. Sheraton. Over there. And this one is called Cannary. So this is the outside. No, it's a 3-story or 4-story. Pretty clean, new, you know. Yeah, not much outside to see. We'll go see. So guys, I'm giving you guys a little room tour, yeah, of the Cannary Loft Hotel. This is the new hotel in Niagara Falls. So guys, the washroom is pretty huge. Very, very, very big. Clean, spacious. Let me see. Yeah. They give you towels, blow dryer, you know, cupboard space, you know, net. Let me turn on the light. Oh, the light is on. That's the only thing I don't like. The light is not bright. So yeah, nice little space. And then you come out here. You have a little, mirror there. Normally, most hotels don't have a mirror for you to look on yourself when you dress. Yeah. And then the bedroom. What I like, guys, is the little kitchenette area. So you have like a stove top where you could warm up your food or make a quick something. What is this? A microwave? I don't even know how to open it. Is this a microwave? Hey. Yeah. Good size microwave. A little, kitchenette. A little kitchenette. And then, I like a fridge. Nice and clean. And you have like tea. They have stuff to make tea and stuff over here. Come with a little closet. King size bed. A little dining table. And then over here you have, TV area. Little sitting area. Yeah, and we don't have any view of the falls, but that's all right. Yeah, I like it. It's different. And I love the roof, guys. I love the roof. It's different. So it's really nice. So you see it from this angle and then from the entrance. Yeah. And I'll give you guys a little tour of the property itself. Giving you a little tour of the floor. So I'm on the second floor. This, guys, I love this right here. I love this little decor. I love this little area. Yeah. So when you come out, this is the hallway. This is the hallway. Yeah. And I love how the carpets, blending with the whole, I love the decor. So guys, listen. When you come out and place here with your braces problem, teeth problem, it's problem. Right now, I want to go eat and I don't know what to eat. So I'm gonna bathe and get ready. It's midday. I woke up with a little headache. We didn't go to bed until about 2. So yeah, I'm gonna hold on. We went outside and just call me to tell me say out there is cold. Yes guys, so we go walk down on the falls, look cheesecake, look ice cream. Yeah. So I'm gonna hit the shower. So this is what, guys, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is day 3. And yeah, I still can't chew properly. I still can't chew, guys, but may I drink soup, may I eat porridge, mashed potato. Last night I had salmon, but the salmon was too dry. Yeah, but I had a little bit. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna get ready and I'll bring you guys. What is this on me? It's the soup. I had some leftover soup, so I warmed it up this morning. So I'm gonna say it's yeah. Anyways, guys, I'll check back in. All right. So guys, I said the place the darker me put on me makeup and feel like my makeup no blend properly. It can go on. Yeah, just to show you guys my fit for today. So I'm wearing this Nike socks, this American Eagle denim shirt, and this American Eagle baggy jeans, and my AJ. I'll be wearing him Guess tracksuit, yeah, and him white sneakers, yeah, and that's us right there. I'll put them on and show them. Guys, this is my fit. My cargo baggy jeans, denim top, the AJ. Did my research and I heard about this local bakery in Niagara Falls. They have the best cheesecake, so I'm gonna go try it out.
Last time I same thing.
Guys, I'll be saying what early dinner and me as a belly as no me I got hungry later.
Say me, you are already dinner.
That's what you said, babe.
You go away.
No.
Oh, you want my cake? You're hungry? You're hungry too. Where are you going? Me can't go there, you can't go there.
Guys, when we are get ready, Kawa is like, I could just go have dinner. I said dinner and at lunchtime. So a dinner it is. Early dinner, guys. Later we have snack. I got cheesecake. What Vietnam babe? Just cross now. So we're going to the cake. Guys, out here I wanted to go walk by the falls. But come here, chicken.
Down the hill. Down the hill is okay. Coming up the hill.
Guys, come here, chicken. I was going to say, make we go.
See the water? You see the wheel? Show them the wheel.
You see the wheel, guys? Wow. You guys see it? That's where we're going to cake. I'll show you a film. Photographer, right? No, oh, where's the sun? Last weekend was so warm. Where's the sun? Guys, I think so we did have a nice warm. Come here, plants and me, come here, go walk today.
Come down in a shot.
Yeah, can you have shot? Yes, guys are true in back shots. Come on, I did pack shorts. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, guys, come on, I did pack shorts for real. I always say we have to walk. Yeah. What? Then I don't know going. I look like it is. Guys look like how we are opening the keg. You feel? Like how we are opening the keg. Don't we have to wait to be seated? Guys, it look like how we are opening the keg because
Get the most expensive wine today.
okay. You can't eat
colada.
bread. You going to eat the bread on the last time?
Got it ready.
Did
Yeah,
it?
oh, for the butter? Yeah, I wish one that.
They give you the warm.
So you don't eat nothing hard.
Well, enough to food. Like, how you guys eat now food. Hello.
Table for two?
Yes. We get by the window? By the...
Yeah, I can get you guys right across from the window.
Okay.
This game live right now?
Yeah, it is.
Playoff time?
Yeah. It's been a pretty good game.
Oh, nice food.
How hot is it?
This one here too, okay? Don't touch it, it's very hot.
Is it need a bird?
The rest is coming. Chicken strip?
Thank you. This is the closest we're gonna get to the falls. Yeah. And I'm busy. Order a drink, babe. Order us a birthday drink. Yeah, that's cheap.
Hey folks, how are we doing today?
Pretty good, thank you.
Good. My name's Malia. I'll be taking care of you.
Okay, alright.
Can I start you off with anything to drink?
That's what we were thinking.
Yeah.
You have peanut colada, right?
Yep.
We don't see it here. We're...
Yeah, this is just our wine menu.
Okay.
It will be in there.
Oh,
but
this
I
one?
believe-
Oh,
yes,
okay, okay.
We have frozen drinks. Do you want me to grab some
Yeah,
waters to start?
Yes,
Okay,
please.
I'll give you some.
You can start me with a peanut colada.
You're gonna be fine? Okay.
She did frozen drink. She said it's here.
Simmer down and look good.
Guava. No, this nasty. Tina tried that before. Why am I not seeing head steak and prime rib? Where's the salmon?
Simmer into this one. We're gonna see
Look what Obi get. The one that me can't eat this.
You're better cancer, yeah.
This is sin. This hot. I don't know if you can't eat this. It look hot though. That is
Are you talking about from me today?
hot.
One salmon. I'll be able to say, yeah. Nah, eat.
Guys, and it tastes good enough.
What you can so hard? In general.
Guys, me not like Obi eat and he's not a big eater.
Now we're going to stick a minute now.
Come on, it's tough. Guys, come on, eat more than me this time normally. And me I eat. Can you imagine? Come on, eat more than me. Guys, I have a headache. Don't know where this headache comes from, but it's there. It's there. I'm standing up on the headache get worse. That's weird.
No, it's not now we should. Yeah, you won't be. Where you go?
Ground. No. Lobby. When did it get so cold? This guys, I may say we are going to my fall and go take a picture. It's even raining. Guys, it is cold. Holy. Guys, it is so cold. I'm saying, you know, I'm going to come and make go down at the falls. To take a picture. Ooh, it is so cold. Never so cool, guys.
It's up, yes.
Yeah.
I should have been taking on my that should I tell you, say, come.
Guys,
Come on, we walk back up, don't worry, come here.
me there I tell come and say, look, babe. Excuse me, I try convince him. And when me come out, guys, cool. No, sir. I guess we are going to eat my cheesecake. Cause it is where's the backup thing? The man there, he going in car, he come out. And the old man there, he was work, but he going in car, he come out. Go cool down, come like that in my own. Yeah. In going and carrying. That's a Jamaican. You know where we are without put this in our GPS?
Where?
You eat, baby, eat, and I lie, eat.
That's my money, what else is my money?
And normally, guys, I mean eat. I'm even eat and me can't, me just suck the bread. Suck the shrimps, chew it little. It was good though. It was good, me like the appetizer.
When you say eat shrimp like that, but tastes good.
It's good and it's tender. And the salmon, guys, come on, something that was too well done.
Yeah.
You can't eat beef so well done. But my salmon was juicy. Very juicy.
Beefs, you gotta get your food well done. No blood.
That's overdone. That's overdone, guys. Double tree.
Steak and seafood. That's a restaurant?
Yeah, have a restaurant
In a
there.
hotel? I forgot future them on the next time.
Future or feature?
Feature.
Guys, this one, we normally go for the big one, them and whatever, but this one was a new hotel. I said, make we, you know, check it out. This is a like a getaway, guys, until God busts we. So we can take plane and go for a couple days. Yeah? Inside now. We never go no a tour going in. Thank you. So, this is the entrance. This is the entrance, guys. Eh?
Much is there here to show?
Why not?
Which way this one will go? Where that way go?
Sweat people them, babe. Give them the... What? You know, yeah? Me tell you, say, look, I said, me tell you, say, then do that, they have like,
What do they have in it?
they have like ones with like more than one room. So guys, this is the hallway.
Alright. No more.
Oh, we have enough for tomorrow, I think. Did I show you guys this little area? Really? From last night. Eh?
You have read?
Yeah. From said she wants a little sister. Huh?
Money sister?
Huh?
You can money sister?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Babe.
Retirement. Okay. I'm going for retirement. I'm a woman now.
Guys, come on, you're afraid for your next baby, you know? You don't want to come on?
Start over and want a break.
You don't want to come on and run.
Promise enough right now. Promise is a handful.
Promise said, guys, I want a little sister. I said to her, no, you're my baby. I don't want to, no, I don't want to be the baby. I want a little sister. I said, all right. Guys, I'm going to eat the cheesecake, but I'm going to show you when I eat it. Yeah?
Wait.
Huh?
Wait.
You don't want a cheesecake?
Oh. Eat and try. Eat this.
Red, what is that name? Big shop name, Red Ganachi. Red. So anyways, guys, I'm going to put a piece in my, what do you call it? In a plate, and we're gonna eat. I'm gonna taste it and decide if I can add on for Mommy and Tina tomorrow. So guys, I realize I'm still in my glasses. So guys, I'm gonna taste it now. I'm gonna do my taste test. Cause since as the review, their review online talks so highly of them. I am a cheesecake queen and I love cheesecake. So so for me, 14 is cheesecake and Cheesecake Factory. Cheesecake are like my favorite cheesecake. I've had cheesecake other places, but Fortina's and Cheesecake Factory. Must make me taste this and see. Because this is a small business in Niagara Falls and they have a lot of great reviews. Let me try again. I'm not taste the rich cheese like how I love to taste cheese. Night. Let me try again. Guys, this one I eat my cheesecake. I love to taste the cheese. And I'm not tasting the cheese. I'm tasting it, but not as much as how I like to taste it. 14 also. It's still it for me. Guys, this one I eat 14's cheesecake. The way the cheese rich, I feel like just I take time. I eat it this. And I get rich. And for a small business, like a homemade cheesecake, I think more than I really taste it.
Ignore that call from your ex. That's why we named it the way we did.
I said I can't eat the strawberry. The orthodontist says stay away from strawberry. But I was able to. Couldn't eat all of it. It's okay, guys, but it's not rich. This has to be
Next year we can be president and we use it against me. Take it off me, please.
Yeah, this has to be
No,
you.
we talk private together.
But
We don't
it's
use
just
camera.
for us.
I'm a...
What do you love about me?
You take my phone. Everything, darling.
Like what?
Mel Jerry. Ooh, everything. You know, I said, darling. You know, so you gotta come over here and try to
Who is that?
me down.
Who's
You know Jerry?
No.
The cool woman on TikTok, man.
Oh yeah. I don't know.
Jerry, my friend, man.
What don't you like about
Bill, if you get me on your TikTok and I'm nice, that's why I say you don't know TikTok now. Look on your teeth like their teeth important.
Good morning, guys. So our staycation is over and we are heading.
Turn left onto Ontario 420 West, then continue straight to stay on Ontario 420 West.
Yeah. And it was my birthday weekend getaway, guys, even though it's 2 weeks later. Yeah, so we're heading home now. Put lotion foot down, can't walk. This was a slide. Trouble lotion the foot. So guys, we stopped at the mall. Then we stopped at think me talk to himself. And we stopped at Costco. Where's the sign? Costco. Yeah, so we're heading home now. I just got some toiletry. Yeah. That's that. juice. Just put the juice. For them can't fit there. Guys, I came on to give you guys a little update. So it's 2 weeks since I've put my braces in, and guys, I'm managing, but I'm still trying to talk properly with this braces. The braces I'll give me listung, guys. Listung what I never have before. Yeah, me have to round up my tongue in my mouth, but the pain is gone. They're not sensitive anymore. My biggest issue is like I can't grind stuff, like I can't chew stuff like how I would want to chew it. I'm still trying to figure out how to smile with this, because guys, you know, say I love smile, I love laugh, so I'm still trying to work on my smile. If I should, you know, like this art. Hey guys, when you're having braces, you have to know if it's smile. Like you're training, it's okay, you can't go too, you know. So I'm like, do I go or do I? Guys, your girl's still a speech trainer, smile training. Yeah, but before I was, you know, like, guys, the braces make me not even like talk, period. Yeah, but like, you know what I didn't get though, that a lot of people said they get? It didn't cut up my mouth on the inside. It didn't really irritate the skin in my mouth, inside of my mouth. Maybe one time I felt a little like irritation here, and I put some wax, and you know, the next morning I was fine. Yeah, but you know, everything else, like I know, maybe just the weekend after putting it in, like the Wednesday, the weekend, I did have some headache. Yeah, but no, me not really, like I don't get headache. I don't get headache, like, period, from it. Sometime guys, like in a couple nights ago, me in my sleep, guys, and like my go feel like I try to take out, let me feel like something, you know, inside my mouth that is not supposed to be there. And as I was attempting, you know, like when I take false teeth out of your mouth, as I open my mouth and I was sleep and I attempt to take it, I was like, oh shoot, it's my braces. So I think that happened to me twice, where I forgot that it was in my mouth, and I go towards my mouth for to try and take it out my mouth. Yeah, but other than that, I've been coping all right. But just can't wait to eat what I want in terms of hard stuff, so I can chew my food properly. I still can't eat like rice because I can't grind it, right? I can't grind the rice, so I have to be still eating like green banana, sweet potato, Irish potato. If I'm eating what do you call it? If I'm eating meat, it has to be really, really tender, like extremely tender. Yeah, really, really tender. So, and then yeah, but other than that, you know, it's all right. It's all right.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.